Hello, good afternoon. My name is Zach Calder, and I'm with Stop and Go, the fastest solution to public transport. As cities grow and populations increase, public transport continues to become a bigger part of our daily lives. But just because it's getting bigger doesn't mean the user experience is getting better. And that's where Stop and Go comes in. What we have created is a technological platform on which to build mobile applications that makes the user experience for public transport better. The technology that we built was over the course of 2 years with an EU grant that was investing in emerging enterprises within Poland. The technology from the beginning had to serve three main purposes: to be able to process big data, to have global scalability, and to be fast above all else. That's how we're able to cover 65 cities to date, with an ability to add a new city in just 2 days. We can also add cities not currently covered by other public transport applications. It's also why we have 30 gigabytes of textual information on our servers from public transit agencies. And from that information, we can create a trip in 120 milliseconds, significantly faster than our competitors. But before I tell you where we're going with this technology, it's important you know the team. Our team is built on three main criteria: experience, trust, and balance. I say experience because we've been through many of the obstacles already that we will face in the future. We know what it is to fundraise and to sell a product. We also know what it is to align that product with user needs and consumer feedback. I say trust because we're not just colleagues, we are friends. Some of us have been together for over 20 years, and this creates a trust where we know that when we go through hard times, and we know that we will, we can stick together and get through it. And I say balance because we have both tech and business skills. On the tech side, we know web and mobile development. We have UI and UX expertise, and we've built real products with real users. On the business side, we have PR and marketing skills, real-world sales and client management, as well as analytical skills to know what and how to measure. Experience, trust, and balance, we are Stop and Go. Now the problem we're addressing, I think, is one we've all experienced before. Public transport can be difficult to use. With all the routes, schedule, and transfer information, it's a lot to keep track of, especially in a day and age where we've outsourced our memories to our mobile devices. That's why Stop and Go's mobile application opens to a map of your current location with the closest bus, train, and metro stops around you, with detailed information for each of those stops. In fact, in 7 cities, we currently offer live information, so if your bus or train is delayed for any reason, we update you in real time. We also offer a trip planning feature to get you from point A to point B across various modes of public transport, and we detail each step along the way. While there are various competitors, both local and national, in the trip planning arena, it's the ease, efficiency, and speed of information that we give you that separates Stop and Go from the rest. While they force you to input information to get what you're looking for, we intuitively give it to you upon opening our application, giving people the information that they use most. We have found this feature to be so popular that we spun it off into its own light version on Android, and in just 4 weeks, we've experienced tremendously positive user feedback. Currently, we're focused entirely on user growth and implementing the skills that we've learned at Startup Bootcamp. And as you can see from this graph of the last 90 months, or 90 days, 3 months, prior to coming to Startup Bootcamp, we experienced a very hard time capturing our users. But since that time, we focused entirely on user growth, and now we're at a 15% retention rate and continue to grow. Because we're focused entirely on user growth, we asked our users what features we could implement that would make our application better.